Hello student, welcome to VidyaNest. You have come to know that in the last class we did uh, probability regarding class 11. In class 12 uh, it will be stretched more. See, probability last day in short span, last day we will just revise what we had done in the last class, that probability of occurrence of any event then probability of certain event always 1, then probability of any event lies between 0 and 1, that also we did last day, that result also we derived last day. We got this result PA union B, PA plus PB minus PA intersection B, and that property can be easily remembered if we follow Venn diagram. A and B are two sets, are partially overlapping each other, and this is the common region that you were taught in set theory. This is this part this is called only A, and this part only B. That means this is A minus B, means the part which does not belong to B but A, and this part B minus A, and this is the common region. Instead
Okay,
of, okay, this was taught, just a one short brush up. Instead of union we can write P A or B, that is PA plus PB minus PA and B. We got some more concept based on this. If A and B are mutually exclusive, then A intersection B will be null, and P A union B will be PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. PA union B is PA plus PB minus P intersection B. Now, in case of mutually exclusiveness, PA union B will be only PA plus PB. Now, PA complement, we got 1 minus PA and uh, 1 minus PA, and we got P A intersection B, PA into PB. If A and B are independent of each other. Now we'll do one sum related to this property which we had done last day, mainly mutually exclusive, that part. Last day we could not get time to do any sum regarding mutually exclusiveness. Let us do one sum from that part. See, if the events A and B are mutually exclusive, if the events A and B are mutually exclusive, that PA is equal to 3x plus 1 by 3 and PB is equal to 1 minus x by 4. Now the interval, what to find? Then the interval in which x lies is, there will be 4 options against this question. And D, this is 2013 JEE main. Actually, probabilities main part will be confined in class 12. Class 11, the chapter is superficially touched. So all sums from probability cannot be done. In class 12, Bayes theorem, conditional probability, so many things are there. I have just got, okay, I have just got a question, I think from you. That question is regarding conditional probability, that is strictly at the last part of class 12. Okay.
Good.
Okay, after completion, if I get time, I'll try to make you understand the theory part of class 12, then we will do that sum. Good sum that is. Answer, see, the, that tree system, the in that sum I have seen the person who have heaviest and lightest. Heaviest will be lightest person will be placed at the top and heaviest at the bottom. जो जिसका हेवी वेट है वो नीचे आएगा और जो लाइटेस्ट पर्सन ऊपर में जाएगा. हाँ, तो बीच बीच में तुम. हाँ, और ये कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी आ गया तो ठीक है. अगर टाइम मिले और अगर ये इसका कंप्लीट होने के बाद if I get chance, I will try to make the theory part of class 12 understand, then I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here, what is given? A and B are mutually exclusive. So what property of mutually exclusiveness we have just got? P A union B is equal to PA plus PB. Okay. So here we'll see whether we get we can use that thing or not. See, A and B are mutually exclusive events. Therefore, P A union B will be PA plus PB. Now, what is A union B? A union B is A itself and PA dx plus 1 by 3 and PB 1 minus x by 4. So, P of S always 1. So, we have nothing but to take the LCM of this. See, first we will try with that method. If we get stuck, other method to be followed. 3 and 4 LCM is 12. Now, cross multiply, we have nothing but to cross multiply. See the outcome. 12, 12x plus 4 plus 3 minus 3x. So, all the algebraical term to be kept in one side and numerical term in other side. So, this 4 plus 3, 7, 12 minus 7, 9x. So, what will be x? 5 by 9. So, once you get 5 by 9, does it belong to this interval 5 by 9? See, 4 minus 3, yes. Now, in which interval does it lie? It does not belong to this interval. 5 by 9 belong to this interval. Can you check? See, 1/3 and 2/3. 1/3 means 3 by 9 and 2/3 means 6 by 9. So 5 by 9 belongs to this, yes, it belongs to this set. So one of the answer can be this.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, just hold on. Next sum. So x is this. Now, actually the language of the question is set of possible values of x. Okay. So here we can get more than one answer. Can you? Why? Because see, once you get it is 5 by 9. 5 by 9 also belongs to this. So this is also correct. And this is a closed interval. So 5 by 9 is included. That is also correct. Okay. So the question to be rectified, then the value the interval in which x does not lie. Okay, see, this a 5 by 9 lies between 0 to 1. Yes or no? 5 by 9. What we have observed
Yes.
lies between this and this. 5 by 9 lies between this and this. So all these are the interval where 5 by 9 belongs to. Only in this interval it does not belong. So see, this answer here in negative sense the answer is asked. So these are not the answer, only this is the answer where x does not belong to. Okay, this is one of the example of mutually exclusiveness.
Okay, sir.
Now last day we got, say if you get A intersection B complement, what does it mean? It means probability of A minus B means probability of that part which belongs to A but not to B. In this thing can be written in this way: probability of A intersection B complement is probability of A intersection S minus B. So I can split this probability function with intersection sign. Probability of A intersection S minus probability of A intersection B. A और इसका बीच में कॉमन रीजन क्या है? ए. सपोज ये है एस, ये है ए, तो ए होगा कॉमन रीजन. ठीक है.
Yes.
So that P A intersection B complement can be written in this way. ऐसे ही अगर P intersection A complement, sorry, A complement intersection B दिया जाए तो इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? इसको भी हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं कि प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ B minus probability of A intersection B. Okay. Got
Okay,
it?
sir.
So if now we'll see a new property where three sets will be involved. Till now we got the involvement of two sets, A and B. Now we will involve three sets at a stage and we will see the common part. This is one set A, this is B, and this thing C. A, B, C. Now this region indicates it is A intersection B. This region indicates B intersection C. And that region A intersection C. Now, by set theory, we have come to know what about A union B union C. In previous case, where two sets were involved, we used to do what? Addition of two set minus excluding of the common part. So here addition of three sets, sorry, minus, first we are excluding this part. Why? Because if I add these two, that means this common region will be added twice, so one has to be excluded. When we are adding these two, this common region is added twice and we are excluding one. And once we are adding these two, that means this common region is added twice, so one we have to subtract. ओके, ठीक है.
Oh,
बट
okay, sir.
इसमें एक चीज को देखना होगा ध्यान से कि व्हेन आई एम एक्सक्लूडिंग दिस रीजन and this region, in this process this common region, that is A intersection B intersection C, is being subtracted twice. Means for these two it is subtracted once, and from these two it is subtracted twice. So एक चीज को दो बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करना तो इलॉजिकल है, तो बट हम तो दो बार सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया, तो इसीलिए वन पार्ट इज अपेंडेड, ऐड कर दिया. ठीक है, गॉट इट?
Okay, sir. Got it.
यस, गुड. सो now write it in terms of cardinal number. What is that? N of A union B union C, NA plus NB plus NC minus N A intersection B intersection C intersection A plus N A intersection B intersection C. Now, how to that is a relation of set theory you got. Now, how to convert it into probability? That is the favorable events. Now, all these favorable events to be divided by total event, that is NS. See, divide left hand side by NS and the whole right hand side also by NS. So, by the law of probability, this will become P A union B union C. Here NA by NS, NB by NS, NC by NS, minus N plus NA by NS, PA, PB, PC, Okay, so here 3 sets are involved. Now if you get confused with so many terms, you can write it by sigma. Sum of this
Okay.
sigma P A. These are in pair. In this way, you can involve n number of sets. That will be called recurrence formula. In higher level of probability, it will be taught. So up to class 11, even in joint, involvement of 3 sets will be enough. Okay. Now, if like involvement like the relation of mutually exclusiveness in case of 2 sets, the same thing will be recurred for 3 sets. If A, B, C are mutually exclusive, then A union B union C, PA plus PB plus PC. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we'll do some sums based on this with this complement and involvement of 2 sets and 3 sets.
Okay, sir.
Let us do one sum which can involve 2 sets. Just wait. Here you see 3 sets are involved. Then option A, and 1/9. See, कुछ मिनट पहले ये कॉन्सेप्ट हम डिस्कस किया. अगर ये यहाँ पे C बार है, C complement, I will write S minus
Uh,
C. So first we'll choose that result. P A intersection B intersection C complement. Now instead of this C complement, we can write now with that intersection sign, we can split this probability into two parts. Now this is A intersection B, and that is universal set S, like this. This is S, and there is one set A intersection B. Now S and A intersection B, out of these two, which is the common part? A intersection B, because A intersection B itself part of S. So I can write P, that is A intersection B. Now we'll choose the second condition. Second condition. Now P A complement is equal to 1/3. In the previous case, complement sign was placed only on C, but here I get complement in probability function twice, on A, above A, on the top of C. So here universal set to be used twice. First, these A complement to be replaced by X minus A. Other part will remain unchanged. Now I will proceed with this intersection S S intersection S will be clubbed with this, minus A will be clubbed with this. Could you follow this?
Yes, sir.
Now any set, if clubbed with universal set, so their common region will be that set, because B intersection C complement is a part of S. So S intersection B intersection C complement, out of these two, common part is this. Intersection means common part. Minus, what about C complement? P okay, we could simplify up to this stage. Now how to proceed? What to find actually? We have to find B intersection C. and here we could reach up to A intersection B and that thing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, you see B intersection C complement. I will split this. B, this thing will be clubbed with S. Minus plus is equal to 1/3. So again that basic concept will knock at our door, that suppose this is S, this is A intersection B. So out of this S and A intersection B, what is the common part? A intersection B, the common region will come, because A intersection B entirely belongs to S. Yes or no? ठीक है, ये जो A इंटरसेक्शन B है वो S का टोटली अंदर में है, तो एस और ए
हाँ
इंटरसेक्शन बी का कॉमन रीजन ए इंटरसेक्शन बी होगा. So P B intersection, instead of C complement, what to find? B intersection C. Instead of C complement, we can write S minus C. Here, instead of this, I can write A intersection B, and this will remain unaltered. Now, B intersection S, I can split it in this part into two result. B intersection S minus B intersection C, and this part which is kept in left hand side, ये जो left hand side में है वो right hand side में ले गया 1/3 plus ओके. देखो ये जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में था वो राइट हैंड साइड में चला गया प्लस होके, ये जो प्लस है वो माइनस हो गया. ठीक है.
हाँ सर ठीक है.
नाउ इसका यूज क्या है? इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस what value I can put? See, few minutes back we got that result. P A intersection B minus P A intersection B intersection C is 1/3. So that value will be plucked. ये उठा के यहाँ पे पुट कर दूंगा. ठीक है.
हाँ सर ठीक है.
तो ये B और S का इंटरसेक्शन क्या होगा? B होगा. ये B इंटरसेक्शन C 1/3 plus 1/3. PB, व्हाट इज पीबी? पीबी का एनी वैल्यू दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में, देखना है 3/4. सो ये इंस्टेड ऑफ पीबी you can write 3/4 , and that is 2/3. LCM करो 12. So 1/12. ये देखना है ये कोई ऑप्शन से मैच कर रहा है क्या? 1/12 ऑप्शन है। JEE 2023 में ये सम आया था।
ओके सर।